Is your 2011-2014 Hyundai Azera key fob not working? It's likely just a dead battery. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money compared to dealership fees of $50 to $100, and only takes a few minutes. This video guides you through the DIY process. You'll only need a couple of simple tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a pry tool designed for electronics to open the fob casing. A cloth or tape can protect the plastic from scratches. That's it, no special equipment needed. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by ensuring the battery contacts are clean and making good contact. Next, check for any signs of corrosion inside the fob. Corrosion appears as green or white deposits on the contacts and can prevent proper electrical connection. A slightly bent battery clip can also cause issues. Gently adjust it to ensure the battery sits securely and makes proper contact. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the problem, consult a professional mechanic or your dealership for further diagnosis.